The Daures constituency comprises settlements and villages of Uis, Okumbahe, Spitzkoppe, Omashete and Tubusis. All these places are hard hit by the drought. In 2012, wildfires wiped out grazing areas for animals, while an average of 15 milliliters rainfall was received since 2013. Currently, animals are dying because there is no grazing left. Carcasses are seen lying around at school grounds and various communal areas in the constituency. Some animals are starving and have no sale value. This cow, for instance, is just waiting to die after it drank a lot of water and collapsed due to hunger. Such incidents have become common for communal farmers in Daures.
If we don't farm, it means we will not employ any more those cattle headers. That means close to 1,500 households will be without any employment.
A meeting was therefore convened at Okumbahe, and the traditional leaders and constituency councillors say the constituency needs assistance.
The current resettlement should be stopped so that it can allow these farmers to be assisted with grazing tabulary as a tabulary measure. I remember it happens, they were in Ucho area where we were assisted. Our people moved there for the period of a year and then they grazed there.
We need the government to assist us with further transport to the grazing areas and emergency grazing farms.
While the drought continues to ravage their constituency, farmers move to other regions, especially Oshodhan Jupa, in search of grazing. Renate Ringura, NBC News, Okumbahe.